Imagine being part of a community where every student is valued, every family feels supported, and every new school year holds the promise of growth, connection, and success. That's exactly what Hillcrest High School in Midvale, Utah is all about. With its doors wide open for the 2025-2026 academic year, this tight-knit Husky community is ready to welcome students, families, and staff into an environment built on encouragement, collaboration, and shared achievements. But here's the exciting part. It's not just about academics. Hillcrest offers resources, events, and opportunities that enrich lives both inside and outside the classroom. Let's dive into the details. A warm welcome from Principal Brenda McCann. Dear Hillcrest families, as we kick off another incredible school year, I couldn't be more thrilled to see our hallways buzzing with energy once again. Whether your child is stepping foot onto campus for the first time or nearing the milestone of graduation, this is a moment filled with hope and possibility. At Hillcrest, we don't just view ourselves as a school, we're a family. And like any strong family, we believe in lifting each other up, challenging ourselves to reach new heights, and celebrating victories, big and small. This year, let's focus on setting meaningful goals, nurturing friendships, and embracing every opportunity to learn and grow. Together, we can ensure that 2025 to 2026 becomes a year to remember, a year defined by resilience, achievement, and unforgettable memories. Here's to making this our best year yet. Husky Strong. Warm regards, Brenda McCann, Principal, Hillcrest High School. What's happening at Hillcrest? Mark your calendars. The start of the school year is always packed with exciting events designed to bring everyone together. On August 25th, join us in the main gym for the much-anticipated Welcome Back Assembly during APP, Academic Planning Period. Then, on August 28th, freshmen will have their own special spotlight during the 9th grade Growl presentation held in the auditorium, also during APP. These events are perfect opportunities to reconnect with old friends, meet new ones, and get inspired for the journey ahead. An exciting expansion. Junior. Huskies Preschool now enrolling. Calling all parents of little learners. The Junior Huskies Preschool program is expanding, and applications are now open for the 2025 to 2026 school year. This is fantastic news for families looking for quality early childhood education within the Canyons District. To enroll your child, simply complete the online registration form linked below or pick up a packet from the main office. Have questions? Don't hesitate to reach out to Kayla Dinsdale, the preschool director, at kayla.dinsdale@canyonsdistrict.org. You can access the registration form here. Junior Huskies Preschool 2526. https sfr/sgz@3frkferbx. Picture days capture those memories. Don't forget to mark your calendars for Picture Makeup Day on September 11th and Retake Day on October 15th. Ordering portraits online is easy. Just visit ImageQuick's https://shopimagequicks.com/G100265667 to place your order. These photos are keepsakes that capture the essence of your student's high school experience, so be sure to take advantage of this opportunity. Empowering families through education, fall schedule at the Canyons Family Center. Looking for ways to support your family's well-being and growth? The Canyons Family Center has you covered. Located at Mount Jordan Middle School, this invaluable resource provides free parenting classes, individual counseling sessions, and student support groups tailored to address topics such as ADHD management, anxiety coping strategies, and building self-esteem. Additionally, families can participate in workshops aimed at resolving disciplinary records and fines while connecting with licensed mental health professionals when needed. The Family Center is more than just a facility. It's a hub where families gather to share experiences, offer support, and grow stronger together, says Kelly Redican, Prevention Specialist at Canyons District. Registration for fall courses begins the week of September 23rd. For more information, visit Canyons Family Center, https://www.canyonsdistrict.org/dep/family center or call 801-826-8190. We understand that meeting basic needs is essential for student success. That's why we proudly operate the Hillcrest Free Market, which provides food, clothing, laundry facilities, showers, and other necessities to our students and their families. Need assistance? Text Liz Demke at 385-3514293 to arrange a visit. Stay connected by following the Free Market on Instagram at Hillcrest Free Market and joining our Parent Square group for updates on community events and resources. If you have questions about partnerships or upcoming initiatives, feel free to email elena.reyes@canyonsdistrict.org or call text 385-418-9490. Stay informed. Key contacts for parents and guardians. Navigating the ins and outs of high school life is easier with the right support system. Below are contact numbers and services available through various offices at Hillcrest. Call 801-826-600 to schedule appointments with the principal, inquire about parking permits, pay fees, or drop off items for students. Attendance office. Reach out to 801-826-6010 to report absences, arrange check-ins, checkouts, update personal information, or handle enrollment transfers. Counseling office. Dial 801-826-6020 for class changes, scheduling inquiries, or counselor consultations. Registrar office. Contact 801-826-6030 for transcripts, grade reports, immunization records, or 504 plan information. SPED department. For special education-related matters, call 801-826-6033. And this is the part most people miss. Building a successful school year isn't just about hitting the books. It's about engaging with the entire Hillcrest ecosystem. So how will you contribute to making 2025-2026 truly unforgettable? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.